Track Changes is a useful way to display and track the changes to your Word document. You can then choose to accept or reject those changes. The first step is to tell Word to track each change made in your document, so we need to turn on Track Changes. To do this, click the Review tab and select Track Changes. Once the button is highlighted, Word will automatically track any changes to your document. For example, deleting this paragraph. To specify how changes are displayed and highlighted, click the arrow below the Track Changes button and select Change Tracking Options. From a drop-down menu, you can change how insertions or deletions are displayed. You can also select a different colour if required. There are several other options here, such as options for moving and formatting text. Click OK to save your options. By default, track changes are shown in line within the document. You can, however, change the revision so that they're shown in balloons. These changes are called markup. To show the changes in balloons, click the Show Markup button and select Balloons. Then select Show Revision in Balloons, and the changes are now highlighted to the right of the window. To go back to showing the revision in line, just click into the Show Markup button again, select Balloons, and then click Show All Revisions in Line. To display or hide the markup in your document, click the Display for Review List arrow, and then select an option from the list. Or to display or hide specific markup items, select the Show Markup button and then tick or untick the relevant items. When you receive a marked up document, then the next step is to accept or reject those revisions. If you accept the changes, Word automatically incorporates the changes into your document. If you reject the changes, Word uses your original text. To do this, click the next button in the Changes group. Word highlights the first revision in the document, so decide if you want to accept or reject the revision. In this example, I will accept and move to Next. By default, the next revision in the document is highlighted, so you can accept or reject that. Simply repeat this until all proposed revisions are accepted or rejected. Finally, the Reviewing pane is a good way to review all your track changes. Click the Reviewing pane button and choose to show the Reviewing pane vertically or horizontally. My preference is vertical. A summary of the revisions appears near the top of the pane, while the actual revisions are grouped by section in the document. Click a revision in the Reviewing pane to select it in the document. You can now use the Accept or Reject buttons as previously shown. Click the Close button in the Reviewing pane when complete. That concludes this section. Please click onto the Exit button and move on to the next section, or replay this section if you wish to.